How to set a custom ringtone on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. Swipe down the notification panel twice at the top. Tap the setting gear icon. Now scroll. Here you can see sound and vibration option. Tap on it. Now here you can see ringtone. Tap on it. By default, set the ringtone on your device. Here you can see default category ringtone, Samsung brand sound, Galaxy, calm, fun. You can see list of available ringtone. If you want to set custom ringtone or a downloaded song or MP3 tone, tap on a plus icon from the top right. Tap on a plus icon. Now here you can see tracks, album, artist and folder option. In folder you can choose your downloaded song, any MP3 song, other from your phone. Tap on a Samsung and select the option. When you select the option, it will automatically add to your Samsung brand custom list on your device. So just select the option you want to set a ringtone on your Samsung A55 5G. That's it. If you like it, share it.